looking backwards and I'm making sense. I'm interested in all that flourishes from ignorance. Nothing in my way now except for my own years. The world is spinning and I'm dizzy staring at the stars. They don't seem so fun. They don't seem so fun. I'm getting older and we feel a little colder. The world is trying to get us to trip, fall, roll over. But there is more to prove. These mountains, they can move. Sit tight, buckle up, we bout to hit our groove. I'm getting older and we feel a little colder. The world is trying to get us to trip, fall, roll over. But there is more to prove. These mountains, they can move. Sit tight, buckle up, we bout to hit our groove. It's hard to know what is real, gotta follow what you feel. Running out of go, but have a pocket full of zeal. We keep the motor humming, doesn't matter what you steal. Just a couple music chefs trying to cook our next meal. Playing all these bars, little stranger than Mars, and accumulating scars, driving hours in the car. The future is ours, I can tell by the stars, they don't seem so. It's hard to know what is real, gotta follow what you feel. Running out of go, but have a pocket full of zeal. We keep the motor humming, doesn't matter what you steal. Just a couple music chefs trying to cook our next meal. Playing all these bars, little stranger than Mars, and accumulating scars, driving hours in the car. The future is ours, I can tell by the stars, they don't seem so. It's hard to know what is real, gotta follow what you feel. Running out of go, but have a pocket full of zeal. We keep the motor humming, doesn't matter what you steal. Just a couple music chefs trying to cook our next meal. Playing all these bars, little stranger than Mars, and accumulating scars, driving hours in the car. The future is ours, I can tell by the stars, they don't seem so. It's hard to know what is real, gotta follow what you feel. Running out of go, but have a pocket full of zeal. We keep the motor humming, doesn't matter what you steal. Just a couple music chefs trying to cook our next meal. Playing all these bars, little stranger than Mars, and accumulating scars, driving hours in the car. The future is ours, I can tell by the stars, they don't seem so.
What's up, guys? What's going on? What's poppin'? Nothing, man. Shooting a short movie. Say what? The job? You tell me. Oh, for real? I'm the right that I go there. You this done? Sit down. It's done? Just finished. Okay, that's fine. Check it out. I will go check it out. If you need anything, holler.